Okay, now we'll go to the beats. Okay, so we'll go to the beats player. So I will be asking you the question. So we'll be moving the beats. Okay, starting with 4 digits. I'll start with 4 digits. First question for Litiksha. First 5 out of 5. I want to see how many you are going to say correct. I will move the beats fastly. You will just tell me if it is correct or not. Shall I go and submit?
Okay.
Yes. First question, Litiksha. Shall I go and submit?
Wait.
It's
Correct.
out.
Yes.
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 Okay, 1
You
point
can
for
submit.
Litiksha.
Submit.
Yes, 1 point for Litiksha. Next question for Priyashi. Tell me if this is correct. Shall I go and submit? Shall I go and submit? 2272.
Miss this. No, ma'am.
What I should do?
In the ones place, you need to remove one bead.
Okay,
Means
shall I go and
-1.
Shall I go and submit?
I'm not able to see it. Yes, now you can submit.
Yeah, very good. So Kishore, tell me third question for you. 2385. So tell me if we can go and submit.
No, ma'am.
No? Shall I go and submit?
No, ma'am.
What I should do?
Yes, ma'am.
What I should do?
No.
Shall I
Ma'am,
submit?
submit.
Okay.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Next question for Litiksha. 7062. Yes, shall I go and submit,
7,000.
Litiksha?
Wait, I cannot able to see.
Okay, now
No, you can't.
what I should do?
You have to subtract one bead from the one's rod.
Shall I? Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, zoom.
Yep.
Let me see. Got it right? Okay, the final question to Priyashi. 1188. Tell me if this is correct. I go and submit.
No, ma'am.
What I should do?
In the ones rod, you have 2 plus 1.
Very good. Shall I go and submit?
Yes.
Very good. So everybody know the place values. All green. So let's go to the next challenge then. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm the winner of the game.